JBL, sound quality is paramount. For 70 years, JBL has designed products from the ground up, utilizing some of the latest technology to create the highest performing system possible. With flat frequency response, low distortion, and high power handling as goals. Each component and complete system go through rigorous precision testing to meet the highest standards. This ensures that all JBL products sound and perform at the same high level of excellence, so your sound will translate from the mix to the live performance and beyond. The PRX is no exception. Starting with the patented differential drive transducers. The same technology in our flagship touring systems. The differential drive utilizes two individual voice coils to dissipate heat more effectively, resulting in lower bass response. Higher low-frequency output. And an unparalleled mid-range for vocal clarity. The 1,500 watts of Class D amplification make it the most powerful in its class, utilizing DBX Type 4 limiting to ease the system back to a safe level, keeping audio clear, accurate, and uncompressed. JBL's patented progressive transition waveguides provide greater frequency response off-axis to deliver a consistent audio experience to the entire audience. The PRX 800W series is the first PA system in its class to feature complete wireless control via Wi-Fi, giving you a powerful new way to set up, configure, and optimize the performance of your system. Easily expand your system, offering full control over the powerful built-in DSP, so you can achieve the perfect sound for your performance faster than ever before. Tune your system with the advanced 8-band EQ and speaker delay to reduce any acoustic problems with the room to ensure your entire audience hears the same great sound. Developed from years of road-proven experience to be lightweight, rugged, and versatile for all your application needs.